welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up the Barbie color reveal 15 plus surprises. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Let's open it up. So here's the pop set. We'll do that after when we're done cleaning out all this. And now we're going to take everything out. Whoa! That must have a lot of stuff in it, just like the bucket said. So here's some rugs. Here's a pink one and a purple one. Those must be. And here's the game. So this must be where you can play, and this must be the game on this side. So we must have to get all the way to the Barbie so we can open up her. So it looks like we're gonna have to find where that square is. So, aha, here's a square. Let me just open it up. I found a sleeping bag. That's cute. So now I just gotta get this square, and I will can play the game that I got. So I'm gonna be let's see. I'm gonna be a unicorn, so I'm gonna start right here, and I'm gonna undo this so it looks like I have pink. So I go right here, and it looks like I don't have nothing. So let's go. Okay, I see. Now I must go all the way right here. Yes, so that means I don't have nothing again. Orange. I get to open two smaller boxes. So I think I'm going to do sprinkles in this one. So let's open it up. Here's some Chelsea boots. That must be, she's a farmer, I guess. I don't know. They look pretty cute. They're my favorite color, too. Don't have. Whoops. Maybe I should just open up on this side. Those are on that side. Here's one yellow eye mask for the big sister. And some pink sunglasses. That's pretty cute. So now since I'm on orange, I should do this. It looks like I have green. I go right here and I do not have nothing. Yellow. This guy's nothing. Orange. I go right all the way over here. Shoot, I was so close to this. Wait, I am right here to this. That means I get to open it. I don't know if I do, but let's just open it. I think it's a Chelsea doll. And I got it when I shaped this. I got it. It's a Chelsea doll. I knew it. So that means it's trash. And now we should roll the dice again. It's pink, so we go all the way right here, and we get to open one big one. So I'm gonna open up this kitty one and try and open it up. And it looks like we have a pillow that's yellow. So now since I'm on pink, I should roll the dice again, and it looks like I have a unicorn. So we must have to find the unicorn that have on it. So let's see. Which one's unicorn? Just can't find a unicorn one. Oh, and here's another surprise one. Fun. I can't find a unicorn one. Oh, here's a unicorn one. There's a unicorn on it. It's small. Should open up this size too. Looks like we have some cookies. I love cookies. And a waffle. That's a star shape with butter. She should put right here. And now we should roll the dice again. Whoops. It is yellow. So we have to go all the way to right here. And I don't have nothing. So I roll the dice again. And I have pink. So I go all the way right here, and I don't have nothing again. Unicorn? Have nothing. So we're almost to there. So we should start over right over here since we still have a lot more to go. So we should go all the way right here. Let's just keep doing the game. So this time I'm going to change it, my person into a heart. So I start right here and I should roll the dice. It's pink, nothing. Again, pink again, that's also nothing. That's right, forgot. Roll the dice and it's purple. So we go all the way to the purple one and nothing again. Purple. I get it open, 2 small ones. So I'm gonna pick these 2. Now it's opening them up. No, it's plastic. Oops, it fell out when I was trying to get it out. Looks like it's an orange teddy bear. Cute Misty for sister Chelsea. Feel something. I think it's a water bottle. I can't feel it. Toothbrush and another toothbrush and toothpaste. Can't forget about brushing your teeth. So put that in there too. Now let's roll the dice again. And it's pink. Where were we gonna kick? I think I was on, oh yeah, it's on 2 small ones. Was I on pink? Yep, I was on pink. It doesn't matter, let's just go again. Pink again. Right here I get it. Oh, there's no big ones. Let's just pretend like this one's the gold one. So we should open it right here. And it looks like this is also a pop out. I'm okay if it's a pop out. So here is another sleeping bag and some Barbie stickers. That's cute. So is there anything else in there? Nope. So now I'm on pink. Now let's go. Now let's roll the dice. Looks like I have yellow again. So I get it open 2 smaller ones again. I'm gonna pick these 2. Oh, let's pick these. Yeah, because they're almost the same size. I feel another sleeping bag. I don't think that's a sleeping bag. I think it's just tape. Yes, I got another laptop and phone. That's cute. Let's see if there's anything else in there. And nope, nothing else in there. So let's open up this smaller one. A puppy bowl. Yay, a puppy bowl. It's cute. And it's pink. Paws on it. Now let's go to another one. Yellow again. That's canary. So there's nothing again. Roll it again and it's green. So you have to go all the way to the green and I get open 2 smaller ones again. These 2. Because they're the same size, but they're not the same hat. And so you can't see them. And it looks like we have a thing to put in anything you want to put in it, like water. So put it in there. Now let's roll the dice again. It's a unicorn, so I go right here. There's nothing.
There's a unicorn box.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay.
It's the green one.
Okay. So now here's another one.
It's that one right there, to the left. Right here.
This one?
No, the green one. The green. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's open it. It's a big brush. That's cute. And this must be for stories.
A flashlight.
A flashlight. So there's nothing else in there. We'll put that in there as well. Now we have more to go. So we get to what's it? Piece again, and I have a unicorn. So I go right there, and I have to start the whole game over again.
Here's another unicorn.
Now let's open it. And it looks like we have a wig. That's cute. That's for all the dice. I forgot. We have to start the game all over. Orange. Go all the way to orange. We get to open two boxes. So we have two boxes. Now let's open those up. I hear something. Looks like there's one cup and a yellow cup. Cute. So that's there. Open this one. What's it? And when I was getting it at? Some honey. Excuse me. And it's in there while I'm trying to dump it out, and there's nothing in there. Huh? Oh, look, there is something in there. There's some heart egg with pink. So big plate. So now let's roll the dice again. It is a unicorn, so we can open up a unicorn one. That's fine. Oh, here's a unicorn one. And here's some striped shorts. That's cute. This week for Chelsea or the big doll. And whoops, I forgot I have to spin it again. Orange. Go all the way to orange and nothing. Oh, what's that? Not orange. That is nothing again. Unicorn. Gotta go all the way to the unicorn and nothing again. We're so close to get back all the way to here. I just knew it because we're not getting all these done. So here is pink. So I could open another big one when we still don't have a gold one. We just have to pretend like these big ones is a golden one, even though it's not. And here's a tray. It's supposed to go to breakfast. And a wig for Chelsea. Cute. Make sure there's nothing in there so I don't throw in the trash by accident or have to buy another one of these. Now let's roll the dice again. Pink. So we go all the way to pink again, and we have to do another big one, and we don't have another big one. So let's just open a big one again. Ugh. A big teddy bear. It's bigger than the first one. And now what's like? I forgot to spin the dice again. So we have orange, and go all the way to orange, nothing. And pink. Big one. So we should open up this rainbow one. It's a surprise. Trying to open it inside. And there looks like there's nothing there because I was trying to open it on that side. So I have to open it up. And it's a doggy. I'm so excited for the doggies because they are really new. And I almost threw it in there. It's so cute. It's pink. It is like even better if it was in the water. Now let's go and roll the dice again. Okay, let's find another one that's a unicorn. Well, just opened, so I guess it's okay. Okay, where is a unicorn? Aha, big unicorn one. That's funny. That there's a big unicorn one. Let me just find it. On the unicorn, and I am. This one's a surprise one too. It is a doggy bed. It's a red. I'm so excited for the doggies again because they are really new. Now, let's roll the dice again. And it's purple. So we can open up one big one. So this is our last big one, unless there's another one. So we open this up. And there's popcorn. I knew I was going to go get popcorn because Who would never get a sleepover without popcorn? Duh. Put that right there and put it right here. So stuff. Now let's do this again. Yellow. Go all the way there and wait, that's my yellow screen. Silly me. I get open two. Since this one's already opened, I just get to open it. I see it, but I can't take a closer look at it. And little shorts. They're teeny. Those must be for Aunt or Chelsea. I don't know if those are for an aunt, but no, an aunt would be for a sleep party. What fell out? Is there any in my shirt? Come here. Okay, here's some pizza and a pizza on a plate and another pizza on a plate. That's cute. Let's see if there's anything else. And nope, there's not. We still have not that many to go. So let's spin the dice again, and it's purple. Let's go to this one and open up one big one. I'm just gonna pretend like this one's a big one. They won't know I'm not opening up a big one. And here's a sponge. I can't wait to do the sponge. There must be sharing with the sponge. I can't wait for the sponge to come. And now let's spin it again. Wait. Oh, I did. Okay, so it's pink. And open up to nothing. Spin again. Green. Get it right there. Nothing. Orange. I can't go to orange. I guess I'll just pretend this is orange. So now, let's open up I guess it's a big one. Yes, it's a big one. It's a cupcake one. Again, oh my gosh. I bend into it. My shirt. Another puppy that's orange. It's cute too. I just wish it was pink. Roll the dice again. It is a unicorn. We're so close. So there's no oh, there is a unicorn. I just didn't see it behind it. And it's a big mama one. It's a pink. Now let's do the dice. So close. Purple, that's a good because we only have one more. So we take it to the purple and we're at the doll. So let's open this up and then we can get ready to the doll. And it looks like we have some milk. And that's it. Well, I don't know if this is milk. It looks like it has a lemon on it. Whatever. Well, I guess I'll just pretend like it's milk. Because on the back of it looks like milk. So now since we have everything, whoops, we do not. Let's just open it up. A shoe. Oh, there's another shoe. I thought it only comes with one shoe. I thought there was another shoe. Silly me. So here's the other shoe. So now since we have all these open, now it's time for the doll. So we should take everything and, well, I think we shouldn't. Flip it over. And now we should do this doll. So first let's open it up, take the doll out. It followed out itself. I thought it's supposed to come with a container for Chelsea, but apparently it didn't. So let's open up the instructions. The instructions actually.